Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savvy, and if you are new to this channel, I post video on fashion, beauty and lifestyle twice a week, so stay updated for that. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my monthly favorite products. So I'm sharing my top 10 favorite product which I really enjoyed using this month. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm starting with my body product. So first thing, I have this body wash. And this is a British Rose shower gel from the Body Shop. OMG, I love this shower gel so much. It has a very mild fragrance in it and I like it in that way only. मेरे को बहुत mild fragrance ही पसंद है, बहुत strong fruity fragrance I don't like. So that's why I love this product so much. This shower gel is infused with the hand-picked roses from the British, and also this is soap-free cleanser. And also this one is very affordable. I got this one from Nykaa for a discount around 276 I think, and the MRP of this is also very affordable. This retails for 345 rupees. I use this every single day. This is my second bottle and you can see this much I already used. So you can tell how much I love this product. You can also try this one and let me know if you try. So the second product is this Vaseline body lotion. This is the addition in the Vaseline body lotions. This is in the calming lavender. You can see. This is the non-greasy one. This is the new addition in the Vaseline body lotions, and it feels very hydrating on the skin. Use this on winters as well. Use this in summers also. It's very hydrating and it's non-greasy. जो हम lotions लगाते हैं वो गर्मी में थोड़ा चिप लगता है, ये बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं है. So why I chose this variant is because I have sleeping issues. So I heard somewhere that lavender fragrance helps in reducing stress, anxiety, and it will help you fall asleep. So I really enjoyed using this lotion. This comes in two sizes. This is in the 400 ml and I got this one from Nykaa only, and I got it for 250 rupees on a discount, but the MRP of this one is 375 rupees. So guys, the next product is this one. This is a bio oil. This oil is mainly for treating scars and stretch marks, but I use this as a body oil and I like to apply this on my knees and elbows because my knees and elbows are very dry. And sometimes I also like to use this on my face as a skincare product because it also helps in improving uneven skin tone. This is in the small size. This is a 60 ml bottle and I got this one for 425 from Nykaa. So you can try this one if you have scars, stretch marks and uneven skin tone. This is really good product and it really worked on me. So you can try this one. So let's move on to the skincare product. So first I have is this one. This is the tea tree face wash from Mamaearth. Actually, I bought this for my acne, but I don't think this does anything to reduce my acne. I think it's really good in preventing to get more acne. OMG, I love the fragrance of this one. That's why I'm still using this product, because of this fragrance only. Also, Mamaearth is a very good brand. They say they recycle more plastic than they use, and this product has no sulfate, no paraben, and also it is dermatologically tested. You can try this one. I got this one from Nykaa for only 249 rupees. I think, yeah, for 249 rupees. So yeah, move on to the next product. So guys, the next product is this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. This is basically an essence. Essence is in between toner and serum, but I like to use this before serum. I like to use this as a toner. This is a very good product. If you want a natural glow on your face, you can apply this one and you can good to go. It's also very hydrating on the skin, and I like to use this with my hands. I take 2 to 3 drops on my palm and just apply this on my face, and you can see a beautiful glow on your skin. So I have the smaller size. This comes in 3 sizes. I have the 22 ml and I got this one for 250 rupees I think. The second one is 65 ml that one is retail for 800 rupees, and the third one is 130 ml, and that one is retail for 1400 rupees. So if you want to try this one, you can buy this 22 ml wala, and if you like this product, you can buy the bigger one. So yeah, move on to the next product. So the next product is this face cream. This is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. I don't use this cream for anti-aging purpose or for wrinkle purpose. I really like the consistency and the texture of the cream. It feels so soft and hydrating on the skin. I use only this cream on winter. It's very hydrating. विंटर्स में स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो जाती है और ये बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग करता है स्किन को. दिस वन इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फेस क्रीम इन द मार्केट एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी अफोर्डेबल. दिस इज़ इन द बिगर साइज. ये इसका बड़ा साइज़ है, ये 2 साइज़ में आता है. इट हैज़ अ 40 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट फॉर 260 रुपीज़ ओनली, सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. आई लाइक टू यूज़ दिस अ टेनी मेनी ऑन समर्स बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. और समर में मेरी जो टी जोन है वो ऑयली हो जाता है, तो मैं इसलिए समर में ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती, और विंटर से मैंने इसे बहुत यूज़ करा है. एंड इफ़ यू आर ड्राई स्किन पर्सन, you can definitely give it a try. It's a really good product. Move on to the next product. So the next product is a lip balm. So this is a Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is basically a lip sleeping mask by the brand Laneige. This is a Korean brand, and you all know Korean skincare is bombdegree.com. And also in the beauty industry, every beauty influencer using this product. So when I bought this product and I started using this, I can say this is all my lips need. This is in the mini size. I got this one from Nykaa for around I got this one from Nykaa for around 500 rupees, and it has a 8 gram of product in it. The next product is for my hair. So this is the Pantene oil replacement. ऑयल रिप्लेसमेंट. व्हाट इज़ ऑयल रिप्लेसमेंट? जब मैंने भी ये सुना था तो मैं कंफ्यूज थी कि इसको हम यूज़ कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो गाइज, आई लाइक टू यूज़ दिस एज माई सीरम एंड एज अ हीट प्रोटेक्टर. येस गाइज, यू कैन यूज दिस एज अ हीट प्रोटेक्टर एज इट रियली डज अ गुड जॉब. दिस वन ऑल्सो आई हैव इन अ स्मॉल साइज बिकॉज मैं पहले स्मॉल साइज़ लेकर ही देखना चाहती हूँ कि ये मेरी स्किन पर या मेरे हेयर पर ये सूट हो रहे हैं नहीं हो रहे हैं, ये वर्क कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए मैं हमेशा स्मॉल पैक ही लेती हूँ हर चीज़ की ट्राई करने के लिए. सो इट हैज़ 80 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर आई थिंक 90 रुपीज़ का मैंने लिया था नायका से. So yeah, you can use this one as a serum or as a heat protector as well. So yeah, move on to the next product. So guys, the next product is this Too Cute nail paints. This is from the brand L18 and it calls Nail Pops. I bought this a while ago and I really like these nail paints. They are very long lasting and they don't chip out on your nails. And मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि L18 इतने अच्छे nail products भी बनाते हैं. I really like these 2 shades and I'm planning to buy more shades in it. And it's also very affordable. I got this one for 50 rupees each and they last a pretty long time, so you can try this one. Move on to the next product. So guys, this is my last favorite product of this month. So this is a perfume from Zara in Tuber Rose. So it looks like this. It's very pretty and handy. And oh my god, I love the fragrance of this one. It's very rich and fruity. I'm very bad at explaining fragrances, so pardon me for that. And I like to apply my perfumes on my pulse point. So guys, pulse point होता है जैसे wrist. I like to apply this on my wrist, on my neck, on my collarbone. मुझे ये इन जगहों पे अपने परफ्यूम्स अप्लाई करना बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि ये बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहते हैं. एंड आई गॉट दिस वन आई थिंक फॉर 590 रुपीज़, सो इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी अफोर्डेबल. यू कैन ट्राई द मिनी बॉटल. पहले आप मिनी बॉटल ट्राई कर लीजिए अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है. सो यू कैन गो फॉर अ बिगर बॉटल. सो गाइस, आई एम डन विद माई मंथली फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll do more video like this. And also guys, most of you are not subscribing to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload my next video. Also, if you like this look, this makeup, I post a video on Instagram, so check that out as well, and my Instagram handle is in the description box below. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, tata, take care.